Hello and welcome to the Longarm Quilting Business Show, the podcast dedicated to helping you build a thriving longarm quilting business. I'm Lindell from the Quilt Room in Melbourne, Australia, and today we're talking about one of the smartest moves you can make when starting your longarm quilting business, building your portfolio early. Whether you're brand new to quilting or have been at it for a while, a strong portfolio is key in showcasing your skills and attracting clients. Let's talk about why it matters, how to get started, and what to include. Firstly, what do I mean by a portfolio? Well, basically this is anywhere you can publicly display photographs of your work. This could be social media like Facebook or Instagram, maybe even Pinterest, or your own website, anywhere that a potential client can go to see your work. Your portfolio is like your quilting resume. It shows potential clients what you can do and helps them decide if you're the right quilter for their project. In fact, most patchworkers are visual. They want to see examples of your work before they commit. A well-crafted portfolio can build trust with potential clients, highlight your strengths and specialties, and set you apart from the competitors. The earlier you start, the better. Even if you don't have paying clients yet, you can still create a portfolio. So, how do you build a portfolio when you're just starting out? Here are a few tips. So, number 1, start with personal projects. Use your own quilts or practice pieces to showcase your skills. It's great to have some variety if you're up for it, such as combining edge-to-edge and custom work. However, if you're only comfortable with edge-to-edge quilting, that's absolutely fine. It's honestly where your bread and butter income will come from. So, if you learn to do it well, you'll be set. Number 2 is to collaborate with friends and family. Offer to quilt for people that you know. It's a great way to build your portfolio and gain experience. However, make it clear up front that this is to help get your name out there and gather marketing photographs. Once you're more established, clients will need to pay the same rates as everyone else. After all, you're not running a charity. And number 3 is to find a charity quilting group. There are always wonderful groups out there making quilts for charities, and guess what? They need them quilted. Find a group like this that you want to support and offer to quilt their quilts for free. It's a fantastic way to get practice and take photographs you can use in your portfolio. I quilt for a lovely local group, a big shout out to the Poobettes here, who donate quilts to a local organisation that provides support for women and children fleeing domestic violence. Now, I don't need to build my portfolio anymore. I've quilted thousands of quilts, but I will continue to do this work for free because I love knowing I'm contributing to such an important cause. So I want you to make sure you are documenting everything. Take high quality photos of every project that you do. You don't need a fancy camera these days. Your phone will work perfectly. Good lighting and clear details make a huge difference. Keep in mind that when photographing quilts to showcase the quilting, good lighting doesn't always mean bright light. Side lighting often highlights the quilting texture better, or even a shadowed area in a naturally bright room. Take a picture of the whole quilt. It's often easiest to do when it's on the floor. I usually edit the photo in my iPhone software to straighten it up and crop around the edges. I also take plenty of close-ups to highlight the details. Sharpening the image in your editing software is a great way to make the quilting stand out even more. If possible, take before and after shots to show the transformation. It's a fabulous way to demonstrate the impact of your quilting work. Editing photos could be a whole episode actually. If it's something you're interested in, send me a DM on Instagram at the Quilt Room Australia and let me know. So, what should you include in your portfolio? Think of it as a visual story of your quilting journey. Here are some essentials. We want to see photos of finished quilts. Show a variety of styles, sizes, and techniques. Include close-ups of intricate designs. I'd love for you to post some client testimonials. If you've worked with clients, be sure to include their feedback. Don't be afraid to ask for it. It can be vital for your credibility. Testimonials help build trust and establish your reputation. And also include your process. Consider sharing a few behind-the-scenes shots or descriptions of your quilting process. It's a great way to connect with clients and show them the care you put into each quilt. Remember, as a self-employed businesswoman, it's essential that your clients know, like, and trust you as a person. Showing up on social media can be hard, but I promise it gets easier, and it's a fantastic way to build connection and let your personality shine. Some final thoughts. Building your portfolio is an investment in your future success. It helps you attract clients, showcase your skills, and build confidence in your work. Even if you're just starting out, there are so many ways to create a portfolio that highlight your unique talents. Thanks for tuning into this episode of the Longarm Quilting Business Show. Please subscribe to the show to be notified about new episodes. And if you like what you hear, I'd love for you to leave a rating or a review. It helps others to find the podcast. Here's to quilting smart and living well.